So you're wondering, should I get an attorney after a car accident? That's what we'll explore today. Hey, it's Mark here, the accident help guy, sharing tips to help you handle and recover from your accident. This is the 9th of an ongoing series of short, to-the-point, quick-action videos to help you deal with and recover from your accident as soon as possible. Last time we talked about how long you have to file a property damage claim, and today we'll discuss the question of, should I get an attorney after an accident? In a moment, I'll reveal a secret about that 51%, so go through this entire video so you don't miss that. Now, the answer to should I get an attorney is definitely. If you've been hurt in a motor vehicle accident, whether it is your fault or not, you should at least go through a free consultation with an accident attorney. During your talk, you'll learn if you have a case and what kind of settlement you could be entitled to. Let's review a few types of accidents and answer the question for each. Although more protected than some vehicles, people can still be seriously hurt in a car accident, especially whiplash and spinal cord injuries, which are very common and can become lifelong injuries from car accidents. Motorcycles are typically the smallest vehicles, therefore harder for other drivers to see, and offer the least protection to their riders. So that's why there are usually serious injuries for motorcycle riders. Commercial trucks, including 18-wheelers, are typically the larger and heavier vehicles involved in accidents. Therefore, accidents with these types of vehicles are often much more serious. The drivers and their companies typically have their own legal counsel for dealing with their accidents, which is why it is almost imperative you need an attorney for a trucking accident claim. A wrongful death is, of course, a terrible situation, and my deepest condolences for your loss. If a family member dies from someone else's negligence in an auto accident, you need an attorney to get justice on their behalf. As I've said before, depending on the case, accident law can be confusing and complex, why it's always best to at least have a free consultation with an attorney to review the specifics of your case. Call 1-877-926-3160 anytime for a free, no-obligation discussion. Earlier, I mentioned I would share the secret of 51%. Here it is. The stats show that a person doing an accident claim themselves have about a 51% chance of success. But when working with an attorney, that number jumps 40% to a staggering 91% chance of a successful claim and settlement. Were those stats a surprise to you? Let me know in the comments below. So if you like my videos, subscribe, smash the like button, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video, because I have more videos on how to handle accidents coming out very shortly that will cover more of what to do after an accident. In the next video, we'll cover starting an insurance claim and how to get up to 440% more for your settlement. See you then.